Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a reliable power source. This avoids interruptions while updating drivers. Once done, connect by Ethernet or a phone hotspot so downloading won't fail mid-update. Next, open Device Manager immediately. Press Start, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. Locate network adapters and expand the list. That's where your Wi-Fi adapter lives. Make sure you can identify its exact name before proceeding, because selecting the wrong device can waste time or cause confusion. With the adapter selected, right-click and choose Update Driver to search automatically or browse your computer for driver software. If Windows can't find the best match, note the adapter model and go to the laptop or chipset maker to download the latest driver manually. Drivers from the manufacturer often fix firmware and performance issues. Once you have the file, run the installer or point Device Manager to the extracted folder. If an update errors, uninstall the adapter and then reinstall the downloaded driver to force a clean install. After installation, reboot your computer to finalize driver registration. Then test connectivity and speeds to confirm the issue is resolved. If the new driver creates instability, open Device Manager, choose the Adapter, Properties, Driver tab, and roll back driver to return to the prior version. Make sure to run a network reset or reinstall the driver in safe mode if nothing connects. If problems persist, note error messages and try an older certified driver from the manufacturer as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.